Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. And specifically for this particular video, we will be looking at step number 3 in creating your online store, which is your online store color theme. Okay, so let's get to it. Alright, so let's click on the main menu. We click on the online store, we click on setup and settings. It brings us to the online store management page, and then we click on step number 3, which is the store's color theme. Okay, now it says that the colors bring out different type of information from your customers. Okay, so basically this color theme, okay, is going to be the color that the website is going to project. All right, we already have a default color, so let's say change. Okay, so you can drag this. All right, so to get the particular shade that you want, and then you can move the little dots up here. Okay, so your eyes have to be here, okay, or there. As you change over here, all right, it changes here and there as well. All right, so once we are done, we click on save changes. All right, so it says that our online store color theme changes has been saved. Okay, so we click on done. Okay, so once you click on done, if you want to have a look at how it is, you can just click on view online store. Okay, so you see that this is the color theme that we selected. Okay, beautifully projected over here. Okay, so let's try and choose another color. Okay, let's try it one last time. Okay, so like I said, you can drag this one. Okay, and then you can drag the dot, okay, to be more specific. Once you are done, you click to save changes. You click on done, and then you click on view online store. Okay, so it gives you the color theme that you selected. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. We'll be looking at the rest of the steps in our subsequent videos, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Do have a wonderful time, and bye bye.